Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Please tell your loved one to stay clear to Olu. Tell them to stay clear to Olu. And as I said last early this morning, as I earlier stated early this morning, the war is still going on in Olu. The war is still going on in Olu. The war is still going on in Olu. Tell your loved one to relocate and to leave their house and go inside bush. Leave their house and go inside bush. They are falling. They are falling. The uninvited visitors, the terrorists that came to the land of Biafra to buy us, they are losing their lives. Tell your loved one to leave house and enter bush. No movement. Nobody should go anywhere. Nobody should go anywhere. Nobody should go anywhere. They are ready to kill anything they see for the investigation of their member, the terrorist member that are falling. You hear me? So pass this message across for those of you who have your loved one in Osu. They have come, as I have told them, that we are aware that the UK have given them the latest, in fact, the modern uh, weapon of war, and have come with them to try their best, their final best. And so therefore, not knowing that the ground have already prepared for them. This war started since 12 o'clock midnight, and believe you me, it's still going on right now. And they are falling. They are falling. They will keep falling, and they will keep falling till the day Biafra will be declared and fight the final fight and won the fight. As I told them, at the end of this war, Biafra is the end point. Biafra will be emerged. They are wasting their time and they are wasting their lives. We were prepared for this. Those of you who are good in prayer, pray for the men on ground. Put on your white candle for the white angel to protect us. Put on the red candle for the angels of violence to destroy our enemy. And pray the simple prayer. Chukwugikabiama, those who you have sent, that they may deliver the black race, that they may save the humanity from the Islamic State and the destruction, those who doesn't value life. Those men that you send, that they may protect the land and the lives of your children. May you stand to them and guide them and protect them and save them, that they may fight this holy war till the end. Pray that simple prayer and leave the rest for Chukwukikabiama. He have never leave us alone. He have never failed us, and he will never fail us. That is just what I want to inform you this morning. The war is still going on. When the war finish, I will still come online to update you. But for now, if you have anybody who want to make a joining to Osumowo or Osu, tell the person to postpone. And those of us who have already in Osumowo, please leave your houses and go inside bush. In the bush, you are safe. In your house, you are not safe, because as they are falling, they are breaking people's house, killing anything they see. Killing anything they see, even kill rich dog and fowl, thinking that is human being. That is how bad the situation is right now. But out of many of them that come, I've told them, the more they come, the more they will fall. The harder they try, the harder they will fall. Today is Nkwo. The spirit of Nkwo of Biafra land have already taken their lives. and so shall it be forever and ever. No peace for them. They will never see rest, and they will never rest. They will never see peace. Yes, wetin person sow, na him dey reap. Na dem carry death come, na dem dey die. Because as I told them, that we have died before, and we cannot die again. And in this land of Biafra, we go nowhere. Because it is the land of our ancestors. It is our right to hand over this life to our children and our children unborn. So nobody, no human being can take it away from us. So therefore, we are fully ready for them. But what I'm not seeing them that have thrown so far, so bomb, have thrown 3 bombs so far, I'm not seeing their fighter jet. I wonder why they are not coming with fighter jet. But they have come with all the latest technology to try their best. Do you understand what I'm saying? The ammo tanga they came with is more than 30. With the one that get 4 nozzle. But the question is, can you defeat the spirit? It's a very simple question. Those things you have been throwing, do you see anybody? The firing you have been firing, do you see anybody? What is killing you is greater than you. So therefore, we are the children of the soils, and we go nowhere. Wait for my return. Right now, I am going to say goodbye from now until I return back to give you update. Maybe probably in the evening or anytime this war ended for today. Stay tuned and stay blessed.
So, my beautiful family, in case of those people who did not know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu court hearing has been rescheduled, you know, the other time I gave you the information, I didn't call the day that he will be getting his hearing again. So his next court hearing is 26th of February 2024. Is another winning again, and a lot of people are waiting to really see the manifestation of the court, what they are going to do and what they are going to say. We have said it time without number that they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that everything will be okay, everything will be fine. But I don't really know why. No, I'm not the only one saying it. A lot of persons have said the federal government of Nigeria should free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for peace to reign. Anyways, we are hoping for the best on 26th of February, and we hope to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So, my beautiful family, I want to share this video, like and subscribe. I still your one and only Progress the Analyst. I give you all the update back to back. Thank you so much, and bye bye.